Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. Here you can see this is 24-inch Sony LED TV. Here you can see the model number 24p413d. So now I am going to turn on this LED TV. Let's see the problem. Friends, now I am going to connect the adapter. Let's see what is the problem in this TV. Here you can see the TV gets turned on, but picture is not there. Backlight is also okay, sound is also okay, but picture is not there. So this is called a no display problem. This can occur due to motherboard or else in the display. Friends, here you can see this is the motherboard. Friends, here you can see this is the motherboard, and here you can see the motherboard number. And here it is the display. Friends, in this model the most of the problem is in the motherboard itself. So I tested the motherboard and the panel input voltage, but there is no panel input voltage. It is showing 0. It should be a 12 volt panel input supply, but it is showing 0. The motherboard is not supplying 12 volt to the display, so this IC will get damaged. Here you can see this is also the same motherboard. In this model, the most common problem, this IC will get damaged. In last video also I shown the same thing. In this also the same thing only. In this motherboard also the IC is gone. So I removed the IC. Here you can see that. Friends, in the last video I repaired this same type of TV using different method. In this video I am going to repair this TV using another method by using this converter. This is the step down converter. We are giving 18 volt as a input and we are stepping down to 12 volt. This is the input and this is the output. Now I am going to connect all the wires. And here you can see this last pin is connected to panel input. Here we are giving 12 volt as input. Friends, now you can see how I connected the 3 wires. This is the 18 volt and this is the ground. This I given as a input to the converter, and this is the output pin of the converter connected to the panel input side. By using only 3 wires you can repair this type of TV. Friends, one thing, before you connecting the output pin, make sure that you have to step down it to the 12 volt by using the preset. Here you can see the preset. You have to rotate it and step down to the 12 volt. After that only you have to connect to the display, otherwise your display get damaged. Now let's see the result, what happened. Now I am going to connect the adapter. Friends, here you can see the TV is in perfect condition. This is how we can fix our TV. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.